Equal employment opportunity means that employment decisions must be made on the basis of job requirements and worker qualifications. To begin, let's focus primarily on regulations in the form of Equal Employment Opportunity or EEO laws and other regulations related to fair treatment of employees. Equal Employment Opportunity laws prohibit specific types of job discrimination in the workplace. EEO laws and executive orders are intended to eliminate employment discrimination. The EEOC oversees compliance with these laws. EEO laws exist on the federal, state, and local levels and are created following the same basic model as other laws. The primary objective of anti-discrimination legislation is to ensure that individuals are given equal opportunity in the workplace. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act outlaws employment discrimination on the basis of race, color, national origin, sex, and religion in any aspect of employment, from hiring to firing and everything in between. These traits are called protected characteristics and referred to as protected classes. With the enactment of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, specifically Title VII, workers of all backgrounds were provided a more level playing field in terms of employment opportunities. Since then, a number of additional laws and executive orders have been implemented to prohibit illegal discrimination in the workplace. Non-compliance with anti-discrimination laws and executive orders can lead to negative consequences, including fines to the company and charges of discrimination that result in costly, time-consuming legal battles. Employment discrimination is a form of discrimination based on protected characteristics by employers. Unlawful discrimination occurs when these decisions are made based on protected characteristics, which are individual attributes such as race, age, sex, disability, or religion that are protected under EEO laws and regulations. A protected class is a group of people with a common characteristic who are legally protected from employment discrimination on the basis of that characteristic. These traits are called protected characteristics. Protected classes are created by both federal and state law. Federal protected classes include race, color, religion, national origin, sex, age, disability, veteran status, genetic information, and citizenship. Discriminatory practices can typically be grouped under one of four categories: disparate treatment, where an individual is treated differently because of the characteristic that defines the protected class; disparate impact, a more subtle and usually unintentional form, also known as adverse impact; harassment, which is unwanted and unwelcome treatment because of a protected class; and retaliation, which prohibits employers from retaliating against an employee for making a complaint of harassment or discrimination. Two main enforcement bodies for EEO laws are the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, known as the EEOC, and the U.S. Department of Labor, or DOL, in particular the Office of Federal Contract Compliance Programs, known as the OFCCP. Equal employment opportunity is employment that's not affected by illegal discrimination. It's a broad-reaching concept that essentially requires employers to make status-blind employment decisions. Status-blind decisions are made without regard to an individual's personal characteristics.